Welcome. If you want to grow your network and expand your reach on LinkedIn, making it easy for everyone to follow you is a must. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to allow everyone on LinkedIn to follow you, using the latest update on your PC. Let's get started. First, open LinkedIn from your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture with the word Me underneath it. Click on the Me icon to open the drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings, where you can control everything about your LinkedIn experience. On the left side of the screen, you'll see several options. Click on Visibility. This section lets you manage who can see your activity and how you appear to others on LinkedIn. Now, scroll down until you find the Followers option. Click on it to enter the Followers settings. Here, you'll see a section that says Who can follow you. By default, this might be set to your connections. To allow everyone on LinkedIn to follow you, select the option that says Everyone on LinkedIn. Once you've selected everyone on LinkedIn, your changes will be saved automatically. Now, anyone on LinkedIn can follow your updates, even if you're not connected. This is a great way to increase your visibility, share your expertise, and build a larger professional audience. That's all it takes. By following these steps, you've opened the door for more people to follow your journey and engage with your content. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.